Hey folks, this is the Cajun. I got Mr. Adam Moore here in Trenton, Georgia. The very first food truck event. And behind us, who we got there behind us, Mr. Adam?
That is LaGenna's.
LaGenna's
Tacos.
LaGenna's Taco Trailer. Where are they from?
She is actually local. She's based out of Cantina County. She lives here in Trenton area on Lookout Mountain. So she's a local.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So how often do you think we're gonna have some food trucks in Trenton?
Well, I would like to kind of get them set up, you know, on at least a weekly rotation, and then kind of build it to maybe daily, have somebody here every day, especially on the weekend. So kind of the plan, just kind of grow it from that.
That's good. I see they have a line today, the first day. That's impressive.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to put a contact link below with your Facebook page, so if people have questions or if they know a food truck that may want to come to Trenton, Georgia in the future, they can reach out. And then in the future, when we get your Facebook page going, we're going to put a link to it in this post as well.
Absolutely. Yeah, sounds great.
Well, we appreciate it, Mr. Adam, for having this in Trent. We need some selection, and you know, to go along with the good restaurants we already have.
Right. I think it'll be good for the area. I think Trenton's been waiting. It needs something like this. Yeah.
Absolutely. Well, hey, thanks a lot, and you have a great day.
Thank you, man.
Yes, sir.
Street corn? What street corn? Black beans?
Hey folks, look who I found. Mr. Ryan Faircloth, the owner of the Groovy Nomad here in Trenton, Georgia. Hey Ryan, how you doing?
What's up?
Hey, tell us what you think about the taco trailer food.
That was good. It's pretty good. The only thing they're missing is the margarita truck. That's the only thing they're missing.
Oh, well, we're going to have to tell Adam we need a margarita truck
We'll
out
have to
here.
set that up next time.
Absolutely. So what did you get?
Street tacos and street corn.
Awesome. Can I get a little picture?
Yeah.
Let me give you all a top down. It's a little
messy.
But look how good that looks, folks. Hey, Ryan, we appreciate the little brief review.
Yeah.
Would you come back here?
Yeah, sure would.
Absolutely.
I think he's going to have different vehicles next time or around. I don't know.
Awesome.
Looking forward to seeing what's next.
We appreciate this live review. You have a good night. Mr. Adam, what do you think?
Very good. Thumbs up.
Awesome. Check that food out right there, folks.
Was it hard finding these guys?